Hello foodies! Welcome to another video. So, we have a new Instant Pot. Are there things we should do first before we can use the Instant Pot? The answer is yes. In today's video, I will be showing you the initial things that we need to do prior to using the Instant Pot. So without much further ado, let's get started! Let us start with the important parts of the cooker. First, we have the lid. Underneath, we have this sealing ring. To remove the sealing ring, we have to pull it from behind the sealing ring rack. This is the sealing ring rack, like this. That's how you remove the sealing ring. To install the sealing ring back into its place, place the sealing ring over the sealing ring rack and press it into place. Make sure that it is snug behind the sealing ring rack. There you go. There you go. There you go. Next is the float valve. This red thing here is the float valve. It has two positions. When the cooker is pressurized, it pops up. It lowers down into the lid when the cooker is depressurized. To remove this float valve, you have to place one finger over it, turn the lid over, and you see the silicone cap. We remove the silicone cap, this, and that's how you remove it. To put it back, just drop the valve into the hole, place one finger, turn the lid over, and put back the silicone cap. There. Next, we have this anti-block shield. To remove it, press it against the side of the lid. It was like that. To install it back, just put it in like that. Next is the steam release handle. This is the steam release handle. To remove it, just pull it like so. And to install it back, just put it into the pipe and then press. It should loosely fit, but should remain in place when you turn the lid over. So next we have the inner pot. The inner pot should be washed with hot water and dish soap before first use. And lastly, we have this condensation collector, which is located at the back of the cooker base. To remove it, just pull it away from the cooker base, like so. And to install it back, just align this sides here to these sides and push it in place. These important parts of the Instant Pot need to be inspected frequently and they need to be washed after each use. Once cooking is complete, there are two methods to release pressure. We have the natural release, wherein we move this steam release handle to the sealing position. This method must be used for soups, stews, or chilies, and food that expands like beans and grains. The other method is the quick release. So this is moving the steam release from the sealing to the venting position. This will be loud. Do not open the lid while the float valve is still popped up. Now it's time to do the water test. This test is necessary for us to get comfortable with the Instant Pot. And also, this will ensure that everything is working properly. First, let's add 3 cups of water into the inner pot. Next, let's insert the inner pot into the cooker base. Once the power cord is connected, display indicates off. Let's align the lid on cooker base. Then turn lid clockwise until jingle sounds. From the Smart program, select Pressure Cook. Deactivate Keep Warm. Use this minus and plus signs to set the time, like this, but adjust it to 5 minutes. After 10 seconds, cooker displays on to indicate that it has begun preheating. When the Smart program completes, display indicates end. If you did not deactivate the Keep Warm button at the beginning, the cooker will display L000, which means that the cooker has switched to Keep Warm mode. Once pressurized, cooking begins and display changes from on to cook time countdown. When the Smart program completes, display indicates end. Next is to turn the steam release handle to venting position. Be careful. The float valve will drop when pressure has been fully released. Turn the lid counterclockwise until a jingle sounds. Remove the inner pot and discard the water. Once dried, return the inner pot into the base. And now you can start cooking. So there you have it, guys. That would be all for now. I hope you have learned something from this video, especially the basic cooker parts, and of course the water test, which is a must before you can even use your Instant Pot. So please stay tuned for more Instant Pot posts in the future, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.